Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream home on Crane Road, St. Elizabeth. This is a recently constructed beachfront haven for sale. It comes with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It blends modern luxury with natural beauty. This exquisite property boasts an open concept living area with high ceilings and abundant natural light, a gourmet kitchen, and a dedicated entertainment space perfect for gatherings. The expansive back patio offers stunning ocean views, ideal for outdoor dining and relaxation. The land area is 0.26 acres. Come and experience beachfront living in St. Elizabeth at its best. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.